Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to study for Anatomy Viva using an easy method. We'll cover effective strategies to help you feel confident and prepared. This approach focuses on understanding the Viva structure and prioritizing your study efforts. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to tackle your Anatomy Viva with greater ease and less stress, ensuring you can articulate your knowledge effectively. To study effectively, incorporate visual learning by using diagrams and anatomical models. These tools help solidify your understanding of complex structures. Joining a study group allows you to practice explaining concepts aloud, which is crucial for Viva success. Additionally, develop concise notes that highlight essential features and relationships, making recall during the exam much easier. Mastering Viva questions involves anticipating what examiners might ask. Think about common questions for each anatomical region or system. Practice answering these questions under timed conditions to build your confidence and speed. Focus on describing structures systematically, covering their location, relations, and clinical significance. This structured approach demonstrates a thorough understanding. For your final preparation, always review the clinical correlations associated with each anatomical area. Understanding the practical application of anatomy is highly valued. Remember to maintain a positive mindset and manage any exam stress effectively. Getting adequate rest before your Viva examination is also crucial for optimal performance. These tips will help you perform your best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.